play together. Every day's an adventure, no matter the weather. Welcome to Kidzone, let the good times roll. Jumping high, reaching for the skies of gold. Endless fun, friendship hand in hand. In Kidzone, we're a happy band.
In the beginning, there was only water and sky, stretching endlessly. The creator spirits whispered to one another. They knew the animals needed a home, but found only water. So they called upon the animals to help create land. The animals wanted to create a land where they could all live, but they needed earth from deep below the water. Turtle, wise and kind, spoke to the other animals, saying, "We need someone brave to dive down and bring back Earth. It's far below, hidden in the darkness." First, Beaver stepped forward. With a determined smile, he took a deep breath and dived in. The water bubbled and rippled, and then silence. The other animals waited anxiously, watching the spot where he disappeared. Minutes passed, and still, Beaver did not return. They whispered among themselves, fearing he was lost. Just when they began to lose hope, Beaver burst through the surface, gasping for air. His face was full of exhaustion and disappointment. "I tried," he panted, "but I couldn't reach the bottom." Next, Loon spread her elegant wings and glided over the water before diving in gracefully. She went down deeper and deeper until she vanished completely. The animals waited, their hearts pounding as the seconds ticked by, and then minutes. This time, they truly feared she was gone. At last, Loon surfaced, her feathers ruffled and her gaze downcast. "It's too deep, too far," she murmured. "I couldn't make it either." Then, small and humble, Muskrat stepped forward, trembling but resolute. "I'm small, but I'll try," she said, her nose twitching with determination. Without hesitation, Muskrat took a deep breath and plunged into the depths. She paddled down, her small paws pushing against the water, the darkness closing in around her. Time passed. First minutes, then more. The animals began to worry again, and this time they thought, "She is gone! She is too small to make it. We will never see her again." Just when all seemed lost, a small paw broke the surface, and Muskrat slowly emerged, exhausted, struggling for breath. In her tiny paw, she clutched a handful of muddy earth. But Muskrat was too tired, her little body weak from the journey, and she closed her eyes as she released her last breath. She had sacrificed her life to bring the earth needed to create a home for all. The animals lowered their heads in sorrow, but Turtle stepped forward, a determined look in his wise eyes. "Muskrat has given us the earth," he said. "I will bear this burden for all of us." He extended his great shell and gently took the earth from Muskrat's paw. As Turtle held the earth, something magical happened. The soil began to grow and spread across his shell, transforming into rolling hills, rivers, mountains, and forests. Flowers bloomed, trees sprouted, and animals gazed in awe at the beauty forming atop Turtle's back. "This will be our home," said Turtle softly. "It will be called Turtle Island." The animals dance and cheer on the newly formed land, and as the animals explored this new world, they remembered Muskrat, whose courage, kindness, and humility had made their new life possible. Muskrat's spirit lived on in the land, symbolizing the sacrifice, bravery, and love that had given birth to Turtle Island, a place for all to share and cherish.
Land and tree, we work together, side by side, a home for all, far and wide. Turtle